People lost.
About people. You cannot touch the floor.
You cannot touch the floor.
And you have to wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
And if you go to work, you gotta wash your hands again. Put hand sanitizer like this.
Put hand sanitizer.
And if you eat something on the floor again, you're gonna die.
Yeah.
So don't eat nothing on the floor.
Okay. Then so don't tell. Okay. Don't tell. Don't do that. It's my turn. You're going to and it's eating. It's eating nothing. You're eating food.
Huh?
You had eat food. No, don't eat. Don't eat it, the floor.
Want juice? Want to drink? How about me?
Not mine.
It's my how about me?
How about me?
It's my turn, John. It's my turn, please. Give me the bush one.
With challenge. Hi guys.